Not sure why Ashley said that I should do this on video, but I am putting the finishing touches on the setting. Make sure you get the right side of the file. One side is smooth and the other side it actually has a little bit of teeth. But anyways, you get the idea. I'm finishing it out now. And pretty much the finishing for the stones, all of them are about the same. Hit it, make sure there is no plier marks or anything like that, because it's a hand twisted setting. So you just hit it, make sure there is none. Get the actual bail out of the way. It's always hard to file around the bail when it's in and the loop is there. But you get the idea. This is kind of what it goes through. After final filing, it actually goes to the polishing machine, and that loop is a little bit off. So I'm going to take my rounder pliers, put it at 90 degrees, just go around it and try to round it out a little bit better. See how that looks. Yeah, that's better. Anyways, I'll flip it over and do the same to the back. Just hit it with the file. Take any and turn the file the right way. See, if you look at the file, you can see there's teeth on that one side. On the other side, there's none, so it doesn't take any of the silver off. And just go through and finish detailing it out. Like I said, this hasn't been buffed yet either. I want to make sure there's no big gouges, or not really big gouges, but teeth marks or anything like that from any of the pliers. And if there is, to knock them down, so when I buff them out, or when I buff out the setting, it isn't there. Move this to the other side. It also brightens the silver a little bit, because this setting is a silver setting. It'll also move too if you don't, and distort if you don't, or if you press too hard on the file. So I'm gingerly holding the file. But anyways, that's it. Ashley, don't know why you wanted to see this, but okay, there you go. And that's part of the final bench process. It's hard with the phone in front of your face. But anyways, okay, there is a little bit more over in that corner I need to get, but I'll get that here off camera. All right, have a good day.